everyone, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga, and we were invited by Quality Dream Trading to come and check out their warehouse. Ayan, notice guys, ang laki po ng warehouse na to. It's around 1,200 square meters. And as far as the eyes can see, ayan, ang dami po nila mga items dito. So we're gonna roam around. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of mga items po na available dito. If you're interested to avail or buy, make sure to check out the numbers we're gonna be providing below or the fan page that is included in this caption. So ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Let's go! Alright, so ayun guys, let's start from this section right here. If you notice, meron tayong mga table and chairs. Mostly these are for office spaces or even for mga school supplies po siguro. Items comes in either you're gonna buy yung table po natin or as package, tables and chair. Check out this price right here. This is office table with office chair for only 4,800 pesos, 50% off. So this one is another set. Yan, so this one naman is an L-shaped office table. This one is just 4,300 pesos. Mas mura siya ng 500, no, dun sa isa. This one's a different color. Almost the same in design. But this one is 4,800 pesos. This is Korean-inspired tables naman. So this one's just 2,500 pesos. If you prefer naman yung mga pang-executive, they do still have. Like for example, this one, parang wood finish. And then this one as well. Hanggang dun sa likod guys. Ayan. This is 4,000 pesos. And then the table naman is just 15,500. Sa the set na po in 15,500. So imagine yourself guys sitting on that chair and then working on this executive table. So mostly nakikita natin to sa mga waiting areas. And then isa sa mga highlights dito are these umbrellas. So ang tawag natin dito are patio, tama ba?
Parasol umbrella.
So these are parasol umbrella. Ang dimension natin dito is 3 meters in diameter. This one is how much, ma'am? 6,500. And then look at this, the other ano naman natin, meron siyang mga pailaw-ilaw effect, mga LED lights. So this is solar powered din po ito. So this is very suitable again sa outdoor. If you have a resort or if you have a farm or even sa garden po natin, we want to add covering from sunlight, mga rain showers. Ayan. And then imagine, nandito yung mga table natin. We're gonna pass by these swings. So this one is 4,000 pesos. So this is 5,500. This one naman is 8,500 pesos. So the difference is of course capacity. Mas mabigat po yung kaya nito. And then this one is at a lighter yung capacity naman niya. So both are very elegant naman in color. Ayan, black and white. So swing tayo dun. This is swingable. Yan, no? So these are, what do we call this, ma'am? Reclining chairs. Okay, so usually you get this on your balcony, sa patio, if you have a resort. So this one's a very good alternative for your chairs kasi nga hindi siya ganun nangangalawang na ma'am. Hindi rin siya sipsipin ng basa dahil ang material na gamit natin dito is textile. So meron din tayong bar stool dito, different kinds. So you have your leather, wood. Oh, this one's very elegant. Look at this. So these ones are for the parang mga chill lang. Pansin nyo guys, so these are our available tents. So for only 6,500, 3 by 3 meters. So this can accommodate probably a dining table that is up until 8. So ang height natin dito, this is probably up until like 10 feet. So imagine yourself having, you know, a mobile gazebo. This is an example setup ng gazebo natin or yung tent natin. This one's set up for 4 persons. For your dining table, this is set up for outdoor din. Look at the materials na ginagamit po natin dito. These are textile made. Meron tayong glass. Yun. Last on this part, we have some cabinets, pedestal, and lockers. So this one is, meron tayong ano dito, 3, 6, 9, 12 doors. So this one is probably a kitchen cabinet. No, you can have your plates, mga glasses natin. Ito naman are for your stationaries, no? Documents, So again, these are suitable for office spaces and a lot more. Alright, so yun guys, again, this is from Quality Dream Trading. The day na na-vlog po ang video na to, those were the items that are available here. So we have for Christmas decorations, for outdoor furnitures, mga umbrellas, as well as mga tables and chairs for your office. I also saw some solar lamps. So if you're into those kinds of, you know, items or required sa office niyo or your place, make sure to, you know, contact this one. By the way, so ang location po natin dito is Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga. Just search po yung Quality Dream Trading. It's gonna direct you po dito sa DOST compound. So at the third building, this is located. Notice guys, ang dami nating mga items dito. And I have to mention again, this warehouse right here is super big. Alright, so there you have it guys. Kung interested po kayo dun sa mga items na pinakita natin dito, make sure to check out Quality Dream Trading. So this is the warehouse. Located po ito sa Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga, inside the DOST compound. Make sure to check out the third building and then you will arrive to this one. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next video. Peace out guys. Bye bye.